Hey everybody, this is Elise Hagforce. I'm an application engineer at 3M. I'm wondering, have you guys ever needed to apply a liquid applied sound deadener pad? Today we're gonna work on that. For some seam sealer basics, check out the link on the right, and we will go ahead and walk through how to do a liquid applied sound deadener patch. So first, what we need to do is check out the vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and clean the surface, make sure that we're starting in a good place. I'm gonna use a low VOC wax and grease remover. I'm then going to grab a red Scotch-Brite and scuff out the area that I want to apply the sound deadener to. You could mask first, or you can scuff and then mask. We obviously need to clean one more time in between that step as well. So now that we have our surface scuffed, cleaned, masked, we are ready to go with our seam sealer process. So for today, I'm going to use a 1K MSP Seam Sealer. I'm using 3M Gray, which is part number 8370. And so what I'm going to do is take our air supply kit. This air supply kit works on any of your applicators that you have. Currently, you do not have to buy this specially. And then what I'm going to do is load my cartridge into my gun. I've already taken care of cutting the metal crimp off the top of my flex pack here. I'm going to grab 8206, which is our flex pack adapter, lock that in with our locking nut, and apply our spray tip. So what's really cool about this spray tip is I can go from 2K products to 1K products using this adapter. It's really simple. We just have to hook it up, connect it together. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and test this out on a test panel, get my pattern ready to go before I move over to the vehicle. So as you can see, the area is now coated with our liquid applied sound deadener pad. We can take the masking materials off and inspect. And for more information on all things OEM, please check out our playlist on the right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. If you have questions or have ideas for future topics, leave us a comment down below. If you want more content like this, be sure to check us out at the 3M Collision Repair Academy. The link for that is in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.